Professor Dr. Rashmi Salpekar holds a PhD in International Law and LLM.
Very good afternoon to you all, and we all are here for the orientation program, BBA, LLB and LLM. This is our target group for the day. Just day before yesterday, we had orientation program of BA, LLB. First of all, on behalf of Faculty of Law, I would like to thank our respected chairman, Dr. S. Sivats, that he has spared his valuable time to be with us to bless our 21st batch of the law school. I would like to thank our vice chairman, Mr. Suneet Vats, that he has shared his wisdom with all of us. I am extremely thankful to our chairperson, Professor Dr. R. Venkata Rao, that he has blessed with his knowledge, with his words of wisdom. I am extremely thankful and grateful to Professor T.V. Subba Rao, who have made you more energetic and also told you to be more participative and alert with his own experience. I am thankful to the chairman of ICCSH, Professor Dr. Shilpa Khatri Babbar, who have introduced you about our statutory obligations and how we are performing it. I am extremely thankful to all the dignitaries. I would like to inform you, and in fact I would like to tell you that all these dignitaries, they have given you list of objectives, list of expectations which they are having from you. If you have really noted down, so each one of them, they are the examples that with their success which they have gained. And with that particular experience, they are expecting that this particular new generation, this 21st batch of the law school, they will also create wonders, not only for themselves but also for the society. Being the students of BBA, LLB, you are not required to serve only bar and bench, but we are also required to serve industry as well. So therefore, not only the litigations, but also we are required to achieve our goals with the help of various other alternative methods as well, like ADR skills. So the point is that whatever objectives and whatever the expectations they have set for you people, and whatever the expectations they are carrying for you people, to achieve those expectations, we are with you. For all 5 years, all faculty members, 70 plus faculty members, and your 2000 plus senior students, they will be with you. We are following and we are fulfilling all statutory obligations, so thus we are having one committee regarding ragging as well. But do you know, in all this journey, like we established in the year 2000, since 2000 till this date, not a single ragging case happened or occurred in our campus. So this kind of environment you are having, this kind of caring environment, energetic environment, as also encouraging environment you people are having in Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies. So thus, you please have your wish list, we are with you. It's only that you need to come forward, then we all are here. Okay? So with this, wish you all the best. Only 3 words I wanted to introduce you. You just try to keep in your mind always for 5 years. Tejasvita, Tapasvita and Tatparta. Okay? Those who are not very good in Hindi, you please open your dictionary and see the meaning of it. All of you, you are required to be very Tejasvi, Tatpar and also Tapasvi. This profession is very noble profession and you are becoming the part of this noble profession. This particular law school, they have also proved themselves. In this 21 years of journey, 15 times our students, they have stood first amongst all affiliated colleges and the University of GGSIPU. 15 times they have brought gold medal here. So you are also belonging to the same family. So thus, be Tejasvi, Tatpar and Tapasvi. You must be compassionate then only you will be able to serve this profession in true sense. So once again, wish you all the best and thank you so much. Thank you.